You don't lack willpower. You lack structure. And that's a very different problem. Most people wake up every day planning to try harder. They promise, I'll wake up early, I'll eat better, I'll focus today, I won't procrastinate. And for a few hours, it works. Then something small happens. You get tired, distracted, stressed, bored, and the plan collapses. Not because you're weak, but because you relied on willpower. Here's the truth. Willpower is a limited resource. It drains, it fluctuates, it disappears when you need it most. If your discipline depends on how you feel, you will lose most battles, because feelings change. Systems don't. Let's break something important. Willpower says, resist temptation. A discipline system says, remove temptation. Willpower says, force yourself. A discipline system says, make the right action easier. Willpower is effort. System is design. And discipline is design. Think about this. If junk food is on your table, you need willpower. If your phone is beside your bed, you need willpower. If your workspace is chaotic, you need willpower. If Netflix opens automatically, you need willpower. You are fighting your environment, and environment usually wins. Instead of fighting your environment, engineer it. Here is the simple discipline system you need. Step 1. Reduce friction for good habits. Make good actions easier than bad ones. Want to read? Keep the book on your desk. Want to exercise? Lay out your clothes at night. Want to wake up early? Put your alarm far from your bed. Remove the decision. Install the behavior. Step 2. Increase friction for bad habits. Delete the app, log out, unplug the TV, move the snacks. Make the bad habit inconvenient. Most bad habits survive because they're easy. You don't need more strength, you need more distance. Step 3. Use time anchors. Don't say, I'll work out tomorrow. Say, after brushing my teeth, I stretch for 5 minutes. Attach habits to existing routines. This removes mental negotiation. No debate, no emotion, just sequence. Step 4. Track execution, not emotion. Stop asking, do I feel motivated? Start asking, did I execute? You are not training feelings, you are training consistency. Discipline grows when actions repeat, not when motivation spikes. Now let's address something uncomfortable. Many people secretly like willpower because it feels heroic, it feels dramatic, it feels intense. But discipline is boring, and boring wins long term. The most disciplined people are not fighting daily wars. They built systems that reduce the war. They don't wake up inspired, they wake up structured. Here's the real problem. When you fail using willpower, you attack your identity. I'm lazy, I have no self-control, I can't stay consistent. But the failure wasn't you. It was the absence of structure. Stop blaming your personality for a design problem. Discipline is not personality, it's engineering. Look at your last failed goal. Was it because you lacked desire or because you relied on force? Force burns out. Systems compound. Small system changes repeated daily beat emotional intensity every time. Let's simplify this. If success depends on mood, you will be inconsistent. If success depends on structure, you will progress. So ask yourself, what am I forcing that I should be designing? Where am I fighting instead of engineering? Where can I reduce friction? Where can I add structure? That's where discipline begins. You don't need to become tougher. You need to become smarter. Remove the daily argument with yourself. Replace it with automation. Replace it with sequence. Replace it with design. And watch what happens. Consistency becomes easier. Energy is preserved. Identity strengthens. confidence grows quietly. Not because you tried harder, but because you built better. Stop chasing motivation spikes. Stop glorifying willpower. Install structure. Execute daily. That is the discipline system. And that is how you win long term.